Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change name in PUBG on PC. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you're going to want to go to a store. Okay, why in store? Because you need to buy a nickname change card. It's not for free anymore, unfortunately. So you'll have to go to store, and here we'll have to find the items tab, and then let's go ahead and find the utility called nickname change. So just go ahead over to the left panel, click on assorted, okay, and you will have the nickname change right here for 990 G coins, which is equivalent to almost 10 bucks. Okay, so add in your G coin, purchase the nickname change right here, and once that's done, after buying, go ahead over to your inventory. Okay, you can hit customize right here. Go ahead over to utility. Okay, and you'll find your nickname change item right here. So just click on it, follow simple prompts, enter your new nickname, and after that, you'll be good to go. I know, 10 bucks is absurd, but this game right now is free to play. Okay, I don't even like my name right here, but well, it's for 10 bucks. But that's just basically it. That's how you change your name in PUBG on PC. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.